Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In this video student, we are going to understand what is group by and having clause. So let's begin with the theoretical part first. So as we know student, we can just have the order by command in a normal command. Okay, in this condition we are going to access the particular information or list through the group by command, in which we will categorize on the basis of any attribute that we like. Okay, for example, you can see table we have categorized according to class. In that particular table you can see how many students in 11th class, how many students in 12th class, and how many students in 10th class. Like this we can say. Now student, group by clause. So actually student, SQL group by is a clause that enable the SQL aggregate function for grouping the information. So you have to just keep it underlined student. That means to say student, a group by clause only works with the help along with aggregate functions, okay, which help us to grouping the information. For example, you can say that group by clause is used to collaborate with the select command, I mean to say statement, and arrange the identical data into the groups. These clauses are actually is used to whenever the aggregate function is used by group are required. So it means to say group by command is required when we are talking about any group. Okay, for example, class 1 group, I am say class 11 group, 12th group, 10th group. Okay, so it's a method to use like this: display number of the student in the each class, or we can say that select count asterisk, as we learn the aggregate function, comma class from student group by class. So as well as the practical part, I am say theoretical part, we will do the practical also. To do that we have to open a MySQL. From we have to search MySQL, then after that server command line. Now you have to type your root password, as you know what was the root password, and then after that use your database. My database is MyDB, and then after that I will show you what is my table. Select star from student. Now you can see table has look like this. Now I'm going to show the group by command along class according to the class. So same way I will do that student. Select, that is count. Within that I can say fee also, or the class also. Okay, and then after that class from student group by class. So now you can see result will be same. Why? Because here wildcard character used to count the cardinality. Here I have used to count the class only. Okay, so here 9th 2 students consider as 2 students are there. In class 10th 4 student, in 11th 1 student, in 12th 3 student according to my record. Okay, and we are going to the next command. So here how many students are paying the same fee from another class, I am to say which class. Okay, how many classes are there. So same thing what we are doing. So select, that is class definitely, and sum of fee. Okay, from, you have to provide a space also because space is required, student group by class. Now you can see select class, comma, it will show you class like this, fee, whose will be sum 11th class, what is the total for sum. Okay, what is the total fee of the 11th class, like this, from student group by class. So I'm going to put the enter. Now you can see in 9 4800, in 10th 12,000, in 11th 4500, in 12th 10,000. So like this we can see the group by command. Now another part in this particular video is having clause. Sometime it may be possible, student, when we are going to apply the condition also. In normal select command, we have used where condition, I will say where clause. So along with the group by command, we can't use the where clause. Okay, so it means to say where clause is not usable along with group by command, because we are dealing with the group. That's why in the place of where clause we will use having clause. So once we have to review the particular statement, as mentioned earlier, the where clause is used only the place condition where select a column, whereas the having clause is used to place the condition in group by, MC groups created by group by. Okay, because here is where clause is not usable, so we will use having clause. So you can see the condition is that display sum of fee which is more than 500 for each class. Okay, so condition will be, MC statement will be select class sum within dot bracket fee from student group by class having sum of fee, okay, more than 5000. So simple command it is, student. So what is that? So command is equal, here is select class sum of fee from student group by class. Here I will add having what thing, sum of definitely fee more than suppose that same thing of 5000. Okay, so here if I add the enter, now you can see only 10th and 12th class has come here, because 99 class is 4800 and 11th class 4500. So here you can see only 2 classes come. So along with the group by, we can use the what thing, having clause for condition. Okay, so now you can see only I have done here lesser than 500,000, so 4800 and 5 that is 4500 for 9th and 11th. I hope, student, you have learned it well. You will keep doing the practice with that also. Till then, student, thank you and have a nice day.